everybody. How we doing? Say hello, Walter.
It's a pressure wash.
Yeah, we're doing pressure washing today. We doing pressure washing? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and we have all these toys that need to get washed. And so we're gonna do it with the pressure washer. Are you ready? Little Walter's gonna help and he's gonna help me. Are you gonna clean up all the toys with the pressure washer? Okay, let's go. Get the mud.
Want the noise on? Okay, go ahead. Walter, we got the